so nobody's in your business also. So what does it mean to be supercharged? Supercharged, as you know, mean to be get 40 grams of fiber. Now, the average person, and by average I mean 95% of people, 95% of people, and most likely you were in this ratio also, did not get the daily recommended value of fiber each and every day. And we're talking about on a consistent level. And remember, as I shared with you from the previous module, that of the 5% of people that do eat vegetables, 95% of those vegetables come from McDonald's French fries. Like, this is very sad. Like, please hear me on this. We're talking about most people are getting all of their sources of vegetables. One is not a complete vegetable because it's been fried in omega-6 rich oils, and we saw how omega-6 oils are inflammatory, so they help support lifestyle illnesses. You also learned that some of these companies use beef fat and beef oils and stuff, so you don't even know if you're getting if it's fried in a vegetable oil. And then, you know, also, like, all it is doing is messing up your ratio of your omega-3 to omega-6, which you want a ratio of, it comes from the foods that God naturally gave us. We're talking about fruits and vegetables. We're talking about the things that naturally grow in abundance on the earth. And this is why these foods are important. And one of the beautiful things about fiber is it's been studied through the Harvard Health Institute, the Nurses Association study, different studies, even the Blue Zone studies, that once you get over 15% of fiber, you start reducing your chances of having lifestyle issues, aches and pains. You have more energy because you know you're getting your body the fuel source that it deserves. You're going off of the fuel source of a high-fat diet, and you're going to the fuel source of carbohydrates. But not only carbohydrates, it's fueling you with the fiber also to help you start releasing some of those illnesses, some of those lifestyle choices that has caught up with us. Like, this is the beauty about being a supercharger and being a 5%er. And so I really, really hope that hits home with you and start getting you to see, like, hold up, maybe I have been eating wrong because I'm eating just like everybody else. And just to let you know, like, when I first started transitioning, I didn't know about this. No one told me about, no one's eating enough fiber each and every day. These are the things that are important. These are the things that's been missed out. And these are the things the diet industry ain't telling us about. Because we got to remember, these industries are billion-dollar industries. They have profits that are out them. They have profits they want to make. And the truth is, our health is at a detriment for them to make profit. Because if we get the results, we don't go back and spend more money with them. So just a show of hands, like, and I'm asking this because I'm guilty of it myself. So, like, I'm not someone who's immune to making these mistakes. So don't think Jason's perfect, because Jason's not perfect. Jason just improves each and every day. And that's why I want to teach you that you can improve each and every day. So how many of us, just a show of hands, have done a diet, didn't get results, and then maybe 2, 3, 4 years later, done the same damn diet again, expecting different results? Because we felt something was wrong with us, like, oh, maybe it was just wrong with me. That is the definition of insanity, doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results. And this is how we live our lives when it comes to eating each and every day. We expect insane results by doing the same shit over and over and over again. We're eating the same way each and every day. We're eating the same way as our parents. We're eating the same way as our grandparents. And then we're confused to why we're getting the same results as them. Why are we getting diabetes? Why are we getting gout? Why are we having irritable bowel syndromes? Why are we having gastrointestinal issues?